Hi there, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ebony of Ebby Cakes. I own a custom cake bakery based in Chicago, Illinois, and I'm so excited you're here. This channel is all about baking, creating, and bringing a little sweetness into your life. So baking has been a huge part of my life these past 10 years that I've been in the baking business. See, I didn't discover my love for cake decorating until later on in life when I had children. I started making cakes for their birthday parties, and I fell in love with cake decorating. I was hooked. And then after posting a few cakes on social media, now I'm not going to say it went viral or anything, but some of the cakes, people started inquiring, wanting to order from me. I had no idea what to charge. I started taking those cake orders, not even knowing how to do the cakes, how to do certain techniques that people were requesting, or even what to charge. I had no idea, but I took the orders. So it was truly an on the job training type of situation. I literally was looking how-to videos up on how to do different techniques the week the cake was due. But what fascinated me the most, once I calmed my anxiety and got to planning and looking up how-to videos, then the process of the baking and buttercream and things like that, the end result, once I got to the decorating part, the end result, just knowing that my hands had made that, just made me so proud. And it was just like a moment of euphoria. And I wanted to decorate more and more cakes. And I made it a goal early on for each cake that I create. I want it to look better than the last cake that I created. So here on my channel, I'll be sharing my favorite tips and tricks to help you bake and create with confidence, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. You'll also get a behind the scenes look at a day in the life of a baker, and if it's something that you would like to turn your baking passion into a career. But hold up, this channel is just not about me. It's about building a community of people who love baking and cake decorating. Whether you are doing this as a hobby, whether you do it just for friends and family, or you do it as a business part-time or full-time like myself, this channel is for you. I love to hear more from you guys in the comments. Tell me what your favorite desserts are. What's your favorite baking techniques? Do you work as a part-time baker, full-time? Are you a hobby baker? Let me know in the comments. I am super excited to hear from you all. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss notifications on when I post weekly video tutorials. I can't wait to create with you guys. Bye.